everybody? I'm here today to show you and tell you how to make wasp repellent. This will be an easy tutorial, so let's get right into the video. Okay, so basically all that you're gonna need are some sliced cucumbers, preferably sliced really thinly, and then something that is aluminum that you can place those cucumbers on. So it can be an aluminum pan, an aluminum tray, or it can be just aluminum foil, tin foil, like I have right over here, okay? Now I'm gonna tell you how to make this easy wasp repellent. Now, cucumbers are extremely cheap, they're extremely inexpensive, at least where I live. And then a tin pan, sorry about that, an aluminum pan, I said tin because it's tin foil. An aluminum pan can be really cheap and it can be reused. Even if you use aluminum foil, you can just reuse it later on, day after day. So it's a really cheap way and it's completely reusable. The cucumbers you gotta slice fresh every time you wanna make one, but they're really cheap. So what you wanna do is take your aluminum surface, and it has to be aluminum, okay? It has to be aluminum. I'll tell you why in a minute. Take your aluminum surface, whether it's like a pie tray or an aluminum pan that you use, for baking, whatever the case is. Take your aluminum surface, and you want to just make sure it's nice and flat like that. Then what you want to do, I'm sorry, I hear like a loud rumbling. I feel like there's like a really loud car around me, or someone blasting their stereo or something. Anyways, then you want to get your cucumber slices, and you want to place them on top of the aluminum. So I'm taking my cucumber slices and I'm placing them on the aluminum, just like that. As you can see, just like that. Take all the cucumber slices, place them on the aluminum. You can make multiple of these to place around your yard or around your house, okay? And then it's very simple. You take this and you place it down and you walk away. You forget about it. This is going to repel the wasps. I'll tell you why. It is so unbelievably easy and it works extremely well. I haven't had wasps in my backyard for a long time, or the front yard, because I use this all the time whenever we're hosting a party outside and stuff like that, okay? So basically, if you take a look, the cucumber, the inside of the cucumber that you see right here, not the skin, the inside, when it's touching the aluminum surface, it's creating a reaction that produces a very, very extremely faint scent, a faint smell. As humans, we can't detect this smell, but wasps can detect this smell, and they hate it. They despise it. So if you do this, they're gonna steer clear of this thing. Let me tell you, they will come in relatively close. They'll go within 10 feet, and they're gonna fly away. They despise it. So surround your yard with these, okay? It works really, really well. Now, the reason I say you should slice your cucumbers thinly is because you get more bang for your buck. It doesn't matter, the inside of the cucumber doesn't make a difference. So if this was like 4 inches thick, all that matters is the surface area that's touching the aluminum. So you want as much surface area as possible touching, therefore the thinner slices will allow more surface area to touch the aluminum, okay? You want to leave the aluminum open. Don't fold it up, you want to leave it open so that aroma gets all over where the wasps will be, okay? And you need to use fresh cucumber because it's the juices on the cucumber that produce that reaction for the most part. They will work for many, many hours, okay? I would even argue it would work for a day or even 2 days. But after that, when they dry out significantly, the reaction will be done. So you need to use more cucumber. So that's what I recommend for a wasp repellent. It is, whoops, okay, we got cucumber all over the car right now. It is really, really easy. It is really, really inexpensive. It is really, really effective. I mean, what more can you ask for? And it's natural. We're not getting any sort of sticky tape or anything that lets off any scent that we can smell. This is just simple things that you have in your kitchen anyways. If you have a cucumber that's going bad, you can still use the cucumber that's almost bad. Before you throw it out, slice it up, do this, leave it outside, wasps be gone. It's as simple as that. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.